Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edward Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're unable to turn on or enable the Windows Firewall service on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser. And then dito lang sa search address bar ay kailangan lang natin i-enter tong link na yan. So ilalagay ko to sa description box. So copy lang natin yung link. And then next step ay paste natin dito sa search address bar. And then press mo lang yung editor. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung downloading. Okay? So dito siya. So once na-complete na siya, and then click mo lang to na-download na link. So click mo lang yan. And then wait natin. Okay, so mag-pop up itong Windows Firewall Troubleshooter. So ang next step na gagawin natin dito ay makikita mo dito yung advanced. So click mo lang yan. And then dapat naka-check tong box na apply repairs automatically. So check mo yung box. And then ang susunod, i-click mo lang tong next. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems. So once ma-complete na siya, so kailangan mo lang i-follow dito. And then close lang natin dito Windows Firewall Troubleshooters. Close lang natin yan. And then next step, dito lang sa search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services. And then select mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung Windows Firewall Defender. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then locate natin yung Windows Defender Firewall. So kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then pop up itong kanyang properties. So ang gagawin natin dito lang sa general, and then dito lang sa startup type. So dapat nakaselect yung automatic. And then dito naman sa kanyang running, ay kailangan mo na click tong stop. And then dito sa service status, click mo lang tong start. And then after yan, kailangan mo lang click tong apply. Then click mo lang tong okay. Right? So ang next solutions na gagawin natin ay dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung registry editor. So click mo lang dito yung open. And then if you receive user account control, click mo lang po yes. So before you proceed to registry, I would suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restore back. In order to create a backup file, so napaka-simple lang. So dito lang sa taas, isinik mo lang dito yung file. And then sinik mo lang dito yung export. And then pop up tong export registry file. So gagawin mo, silik mo lang dito kung saan masisave yung file. And then I would suggest or recommend to create file name. Dapat ilagay mo yung date. And then click mo lang tong save. And so if you want to restore back it, so same procedures. Dito lang sa taas, click mo lang tong file. And then select mo lang dito yung import. And then pop up itong import registry file. So kailangan mo lang i-locate kung saan mo sinave yung file. And then click mo lang tong open. Alright, so start na tayo. So dito lang sa computer, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung HKey local machines. So click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung system. So click mo tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then dito sa system, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung current control set. So kailangan mo na mag-double click or click mo tong arrow na yan. And then next step dito sa current controls set, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung services. So click mo lang yan. So dito sa services, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate yung BFE. Okay, so scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin yung BFE. And then dito kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then next step ay dito lang sa parameters, ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung permissions. So lalabas itong kanyang permissions. Ang next step ay dito lang sa kanyang permissions for all applications packages. Dito sa for control, dapat naka-allow siya. Okay, so allow mo lang siya. And then click mo lang to apply. And then click mo lang to okay. Right, so ang next step, so close lang natin to registry. So close natin. And then ang susunod natin gagawin ay dito na sa start menu. And then click mo lang to restart. Yan, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Firewall can't turn on in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.